What's the meaning of conjointly? Conjointly. Conjointly.
Conjointly. Conjointly. Conjointly is an adverb that means in combination with others or together with. It implies a joint effort or collaboration between two or more parties. When people work conjointly, they are working together to achieve a common goal, and any success or failure is shared equally among them. This word is often used in legal and academic contexts, as well as in business and professional settings where teamwork and cooperation are essential for success. In summary, conjointly emphasizes the importance of working together towards a common objective in a collaborative and cooperative manner.